Hello viewers, this is Mama Sajid Hassan and you guys watching Sajid's Take. Guys, in this video I'll talk with you about how you can make or create multiple Owl-Carousel sliders in your website single page. So for that, there is a problem is that whenever you just make or create something multiple Owl-Carousels in more than one Owl-Carousel in your one website page in your single page, that time you will face a problem is that all the Owl-Carousels will work similarly, but you don't want to make it. So how you can use or work every single Owl-Carousels in your website in your one page. So in this tutorial I'll show you. Before that, I just request you to subscribe my channel, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start it. First of all, we need to just go to here it is. This is my index.html, and this is the styler CSS and the jQuery.js. Here my three CSS are here: all.carousel.min.css, all.theme.default.min.css, and the styler CSS. These two are by my Owl-Carousel file. And there, this is another, the jQuery is the jQuery library 2. Without this, any jQuery will not work. And here is the owl.carousel.min.js. This is the another. I'll just go take it from here, my Owl-Carousel file. And I assume that you all guys know how to make a basic Owl-Carousel. So start it. If you do not know how you can make a basic Owl-Carousel slider, so just check out these cards here in the video talk, or just check out the description. I will give you the link here. So here I have made three Owl-Carousel sliders here. This is my Owl-Carousel 1, this is the 2, and this is the 3. And here these are the 1, 2, and 3. So whenever I just do something work for here like that, whenever I just disclose the nav from here, that time it will just close the nav for all here. Like that, I just make it a false. That time it will make false for all the navs. But I just want to make false the nav for only 8. Suppose if I just I just disappear the dots for here, that time it will also make a problem is that it just hide the dot for everything, every carousel. If I just make the item for 1, that time it will also make the item 1 for every single items here. So that's the problem. But just I want to work only for it. So what I have to do is that, as this is my first Owl-Carousel, the Owl-Carousel number 1. So here this is my Owl-Carousel number 1. Just codes are here. So here I need to there have two classes, Owl-Carousel and Owl-Theme, and this Owl-Carousel class is used here, and here it is. So I need to just change it. So but there have a condition is that you can't change these classes. Without these classes you can't work it. So for that, what you have to do is that you need to just create your own class here. Suppose like that, I just make here a class called the sajidz1. So just copy the sajidz1 here, and here it is the Owl-Carousel 1. This is the first Owl-Carousel's codes are here in the jQuery. So just change out the codes here and just paste the code here, and it will only work for here too. Here it is. All the things are just remain similarly, and it only works for here. So if I just make the dots as the true, that time it will only true for it. So just refresh it and let's say it. Here it is. These are, and it just only work for here too. If I just work something for the Owl-Carousel 2, that time what I have to do is that I just go to here, and this is my Owl-Carousel 2 just codes, and just suppose that here I just make the another class in the sajidz2 or sajidz20. Just make that class as the sajidz20. So just go to here, and here it is. This is the Owl-Carousel 2 codes here in the Owl-Carousel. So just in the jQuery, so just change the class here, and that time it will work. I just make the nav as a false, and the dots are as a true, and here it will get 2 items for here. So like that, and here it is. It just working like that here, and here I will also work here like that. And here you can also add your own just navigation here like that. So just go to here and add a navigation here. Just go to the docs. I just want to work this custom buttons for this. So what I have to do is that here they have the class is the Owl-Carousel, so I just make the Owl-Carousel as of sajidz1. So just make it the sajidz1, and here the custom next button, it will be in the next button here, the all next, it will be the custom next, and just go to the custom priv button, it will be in the all priv like that, and here it is. So just make it, and it will only work for here. Here it is. It's just working only for it. So by that you can make it. So that's it, guys. And it just only work for it. And you can make it for here too. I just copy it and I just show you guys here too. So just make here, and it will. I just want to make here too here. So just copy the code here. I just want to make it for also for the Owl-Carousel 2, the second Owl-Carousel. Here the class is not sajidz1, is the class says sajidz20, and here it is. I just add here. It's just working here too. Fine. Now the problem is that whenever you just click here, it will work for it. But whenever you just click here, it will also work for it. Because the problem is that these classes are custom button. This class I just use this custom button, custom next button here in the slider 1 and in the slider 2. There are same classes. So here there's a problem. I just make some different classes here. Just make that 2. As here I just add the 2. That time is for my second classes. So just go to here, and that means that you need to just make something different for everything. You need to just give a different class for every Owl-Carousel to just resolve the problem. But the problem is also still now. So what you have to do is that you need to just wrap the whole Owl-Carousel codes here. Suppose that these are my Owl-Carousel code for the first slider. So just take off this all and cut it, and now just make a wrapper for the jQuery wrapper here to the ready document.ready.function, if you can see function, and make it the second bracket and take it here, and also do it for the second 2. And give a semicolon, and now these all are the separately, and it will all work separately. So here it is, and now it's just working for it, and it's just working for it. That means you need to just make them separate by their jQuery separation, the jQuery wrapper. So by that you can use multiple Owl-Carousels in your single page. So that's it, guys, from me. And guys, I think you get a lot of help from this video. And if you guys just get a support from this video, then I request you to give a thumbs up under this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.